Hello everyone! Today I will make a Filipino Pancit Canton. Here in Canada, they call that CHOWMIEN. Here are my ingredients for my CHOWMIEN. This is my Pancit Canton. These are my beans. This is different kind of beans. The other one, like Baguio beans in the Philippines, we call this. And this is my carrots, celery, cabbage, quail eggs, spring onions, cilantro, garlic, onions in my shrimp. And this time I will use instead of chicken I will use pork, and these are my spices, my salt and my pepper. Okay, I will start frying now. Now I will start frying my garlic and onions. As I start frying, yeah, I will add the onions now. Stir fry this. Okay, I will my garlic and my onions already brown, and I will add this pork. Add the pork. I will stir fry the pork. Make it cook. I will put a half tablespoon of salt because I'm not sure, because I will put soy sauce later, and I don't want it to be really salty. And I will add an onion. Oh, this is black pepper. Black pepper. That's why it's nice to scoop. Just in case I will dump it by accident. No, I don't want to do that. I will, yeah, I will have a I put half tablespoon of, tablespoon of black pepper. Now, I will add my water. I will let it simmer. And since that I use pork, I this is cubes, pork cubes. That is the one that I will put, and I will let this simmer. After it simmer for a while, I will add the Pancit Canton. Here in Canada, they call this chow mein. Then mix to make it cook even. I already put salt here in paper. Oh, a little bit of, I need to put a little bit of soy sauce. Okay. Now my heat is too high. I will lower it now. But I'll just let this cook Because the vegetable, I will not include it here. I will cook it separate because sometimes I overcook it. So I prepare that way. Oh, I can, oh, anyway, I prefer to add my quail eggs because I want this. Oh, by the way, this is a quail eggs. I want to add this in my chow mein. I add it here so that can be boiled more instead of putting in the vegetable. Because in the vegetable, I can cook it too long, will be overcooked. And I want the quail eggs to be cooked well. Although I know it is cooked, but I want it, since that it is from the can, I want it to be, you know, cook more to kill the bacteria. Just stir, stir. Make it sure everything is evenly cooked. That's just simple, actually. In the Philippines, we usually cook this all the time. Okay, and the next, I will stir fry my vegetable. This time, I need to stir fry the vegetables. Need to stir fry this. Lower the heat because it's too high, so I just put it in medium. Just add a little bit of salt. I guess 1/4 because the you know what already cooked. So I'll just stir fry this. The shrimp, I will cook it here because I don't want. I didn't add it in the chow mein because I don't want to overcook. So we'll just stir fry everything. I just let make it brown a little bit so that the garlic will have some aroma. I put it high a little bit because of the vegetable later. Now I will add this. Oh, I will stir fry this and put a little bit of I will put a 1/4 of this black pepper. This time I will turn it high because I will add the vegetable in a while. Then I put the carrots because carrots it takes a while to cook. Oh, celery is good too, you know, also, I guess. The same with cabbage, but this one I do this last because that will be cooked quick. Now I'll just use my hands. It seems I did lots of vegetable. I don't know. Okay. I'll use this other one. I can stir better. I will add a little bit of water, just a little bit. And I will add these beans because the beans, the other one, this other beans is, it's, oh, snappies. We call this snappies back home. Yeah, in this one is a beans. We call this Baguio beans. And I'll just stir it. This is the reason why I want to cook my vegetables separate so that I will not overcook it. And as well, I can still just, if I cook too much vegetable, I can just adjust to put it in my chow mein. A little bit of soy sauce. Yeah, I will put a little bit of soy sauce. Yeah, I will just stir it evenly. And I need to watch myself that I will not overcook. I guess this vegetable is done. And we can mix it in now in the chow mein. Now I will add my vegetable in my chow mein. And I'll just, it how lots I want to put here. Because it seems I make too much vegetable. So I will not put it all, I guess. Yeah, this is now my Pancit Canton. In Canadian, they call this CHOWMIEN. So this is the outcome. Now I add my garnish, my cilantro, and spring onions. This is the outcome of my chow mein.